Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find your routing number and account number on Cash App. First, open the Cash App on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. On the home screen, tap the Balance tab. This is the icon that looks like a bank or a dollar sign. Next, tap the routing and account or direct deposit. This will open your Cash App banking information. Here you all see your routing number and account number. You can tap copy to copy them if you need to paste them somewhere else. This number are used for direct deposit, paycheck, bank transfer. Your routing and account number are private, so only share them with trusted companies or employees. And that's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.